Hi everyone, it's Mair from Bטרייד. Thank you for joining my live trading session, which is just about to start. You will be able to watch my charts live and my P&L live, which I believe is the best way to learn trading. Market's just about to start with a small gap up 0.3%. I'll be looking for more longs than shorts, probably, if the market's going to keep moving higher. Let me welcome my trading room member, and please don't forget, there's plenty of links right here below this video. You can join me in my live trading room where I call my picks each and every day and trade the same platform I do, which is the Colmex Pro. Session is open. Let's start. Traders market started with a small gap up 0.2% right now in the S&P. And the interesting part is what happened yesterday. Really, if you watch how the market behaved yesterday, we came down very strong, and then we pulled back up and finished not in green, in red, small red. But interesting, we rejected the lows. Of course, everyone's waiting for the announcement today. Probably interest rate not going to come up, but it's not about the interest rate right now. It's about the indication of what's going to happen afterwards. That's what the market is a little bit concerned of. Anyway, I'll be looking for more longs than shorts because of what happened yesterday and because we started with a small gap up. One of the interesting movers today is, as you can see here, IBM, which is up 1.3%. It already moved over the high. It's a little bit too early for me to go long. Maybe if it's going to pull back down a little bit and then move up, I could be interested. DG is weak, but I'm a little bit concerned about the volume. BA started with a gap up today, and Nvidia was weak yesterday and seems like it's kind of weak today. Initial market move is down, started with the gap up, which is quite normal. We're likely to push down into the gap. Gaps up to 3% are very likely to get closed. So right now we are working on this, trying to close this gap. You're looking to go long Tesla, Scott?
I am over yesterday's close if we get it.
Okay. We keep coming down, traders. S&P is moving down. Nasdaq is moving down. Nasdaq is very close to closing the gap. It could happen really soon. We're just about to touch that. Once we close the gap, please remember that the next move could easily be up, because closing the gap does not mean that it's going to continue the way it started, because it's just moving down to close a gap. IBM may give me a chance to move in. If you watch the daily of IBM, it's extremely interesting. You can see that it's trending higher. It's very close to the recent highs. It's a beautiful breakout formation. So it's not only about the intraday, it's also about the daily, and the daily looks great. Actually, I don't mind posting it right now over 148.50. I post it in the room, IBM long over 148.50. Okay, watch IBM. I think it's closing in. Not much of a stop loss in IBM. Worst case scenario under 148, probably less. Getting ready to go long IBM over 148.50. It's close. I'm long IBM. Very close to the highs now. If you take a look at the S&P, you can see we initially came down. Now we have a small green candle. We pulled back up. It's again a little bit too early to say that the market is going to change directions here, but IBM is definitely helped by that. As you can see, just spiked up over the highs. Looks nice. Let's see if we can find a long opportunity in Meta. I don't really see any. It just moved higher, not much of a pullback. Didn't quite give us a chance to move in. If we move in right now, it's going to be very risky. It's too extended to the upside. So I'll wait for a pullback in Meta. My target in IBM is as close as possible to 149. In IBM, I want to see the buyers moving over 148.90. That should be my target. S&P still holding very close to the highs, not yet over the highs. Moving over the highs is extremely important. And I think we've just done that. We just moved over the highs slightly. It's a good indication. Okay, here comes IBM. Getting ready for a partial. I don't want to see it under 90. If it tries to move under 90, I'll take a partial. Trying to grab a little bit more if I can. Can it move over 149? It just did. Getting ready for a partial. Come on. Come on, IBM. Okay, we're over 149. Buyers over 149. Getting ready for a partial. Good, look at that. Touching the $2,000 profit mark right now with 4,000 shares. Getting ready to take my partial. It's a beautiful trade in IBM traders. Getting ready to sell. Take my profit and leave some size. Oh, look at IBM. Now, took my partial. It was a nice side.
Very nice.
We are starting well, Scott. That's a good start. Scott, what was your entry in NVDA?
My NVDA entry was right at 435.
Oh, wow. Beautiful. And in Tesla,
Yep.
what was that?
The Tesla trade was 266. 50. No, actually, I came in 266.40 right before the breakout here.
Look at it goes.
Right off of yesterday's
over 2
close,
points right now. You've got the real
Yeah,
winners.
great.
I had like a 60-cent winner here. Guys, I'm about
Green is green.
Yeah, I'm about to add to IBM using this pullback. Actually adding right now. Using this pullback here, assuming it's probably gonna continue moving higher. You know, stocks don't move in just one straight line. They pull back, and when they pull back and still on an uptrend, and of course the market is currently uptrending, it's a little bit too early to say, you know, just 12 minutes into the trading session, it's a little bit too early to say, but when a stock is uptrending, it never goes up in one straight line. Okay? Thank you for joining this live trading session. It's just like 13 or 14 minutes into the trading session right now. I just had one trade, $1,600, almost 17 in IBM, opened with another 360, 80, 400 in IBM. So just over $2,000 in just like 13 or 14 minutes. Now, as you can see, I only had one trade. I was following the market. Market's trend is up. Scott was following the trend of the market too. He had two amazing trades in Tesla and in NVIDIA. All of these trades were called live in our live trading room. As you can see, it's right over here. And everyone who's joining our live trading room is welcome to pick up and follow us, because we post these trades before we take them. We discuss them, we follow them, we take our partial, and we join and show our live P&L each and every day. And you're very welcome to join. There's a link right here below this video for a 14-day free trial. And if you want to trade the same platform I do, still is a link down there for the Colmex Pro platform. Start with the demo. Never risk your own hard-earned money, because trading is extremely hard and most traders lose money. Please remember that. Thank you for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.